To pay taxes for the financial year 2024-25, that is the year for which you are going to file the return now, click on the ePay tax option under the eFile tab. Once you click on this option, it will take you to a new page where you can see all the previous challans that you have already generated earlier, including the challans that have already been paid off. So in case you couldn't find a challan, you can look at from this option. Now we click on the new payment and we select the income tax option. Under the income tax option, we'll be specifically selecting the self-assessment tax, as because the tax we are going to pay now would be self-assessment. We click on proceed and we'll be selecting the assessment year 2025-26, which means the financial year is 2024-25. And then we select self-assessment tax. Please note the assessment year would be 25-26 and the financial year would be 2024-25. Under this tab, we select the self-assessment tax and then we click on continue. Under the tax option, we specify the amount and then after checking the total, we'll click on continue. After we click on continue, we can see a number of options by which we can pay taxes. It can be paid through net banking, a debit card, through debit card, or by way of paying it over the counter at the banks. It can be done by check, cash, or demand draft, either of the three. However, you can pay cash only if the taxes is up to rupees 10,000. Beyond that, you won't be able to pay it through cash. And these are the list of banks that would be available where you can submit your checks. The next option is the RTGS or NEFT option. And the next one is through UPI or credit card. So there are a number of payment facilities available through which you can pay your taxes for the year 2024-25. Now, once you make the payment by selecting either of the options, you can simply download the challan. Just click on download.